Welcome to IMPLANT, where world-class quality meets advanced manufacturing technology. Our implant production begins with precision CNC milling. Using state-of-the-art machinery, we transform high-grade titanium into precisely engineered implants, maintaining strict dimensional accuracy at every step. At IMPLANT, we achieve perfect quality control through our cutting-edge automated systems. The process begins with HSA sanding, where aluminum oxide is used for precise surface treatment. Every step is automated, from loading to unloading and cleaning, ensuring consistent quality throughout the process. The process leaves no embedded debris or acid residue on the implant surface, and its effectiveness has been proven through numerous clinical cases. The final packaging takes place in our cleanroom facility, maintaining less than Class 100,000 of fine dust. Our fully automated packaging line, operating at a capacity of 20 units per minute, includes automatic ampule feeding, inkjet printing, Tyvek sealing, inner and outer labeling, and cartoning systems. Through these advanced automated systems, IMPLANT continues to provide dental professionals worldwide with products of the highest quality and reliability.